How to set up and use alerts on Forex.com. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to set up and use alerts, you need to head over to the stock chart first. So from this market section or from your watch list, head over to any stocks that you're interested in. After you're in the stock space, you'll see this kind of interface. You'll see the charts over here, and at the top you can see different sections. Head over to this alert section. From here you can set up a new alert. Tap on this add price alert button. Enter the price for which you want the alert. Once you're done, you can tap on the set price alert option. And there you go. That's how you can easily set up alerts on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.